There's also this mental and racial disconnect in terms of how archaeology works. We have this perverse attitude that somehow European history is unaffected and therefore disconnected from Egyptian history or African history or Asian or Persian history, and that's just not the case.
It's quite the opposite, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite the opposite, because whatever happened in Europe was because as a means of a backlash against the rest of the human race. So naturally, as time went on, it was like using the after the death of Marcus Aurelius, you have this massive downfall of the Roman Empire and the infiltration of the Catholics, who were taking the marching orders from the Chateau regime. Later on, referred to as Roman Catholics. They infiltrated, they used the Roman Empire, they passed decrees on behalf of favoring the corporation known as Vatican City over the Egyptian university system. So these decrees forced everyone to stay away from the Egyptian university system and shut it down. That, of course, leads to the Dark Ages and the Medieval Ages, because now Europe had cut itself off from all that knowledge and became even more demented and ridiculous. But that's the way the Vatican wanted it, because they didn't like the competition, because the Egyptian university was about sharing the information, and Vatican City, which came out of the Amun-Ra, aka the Greys, was all about controlling it and manipulating it like a corporation. So this is how the Egyptian university system was forced to fall flat on its face.